Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. First question: the Statue of Liberty is in which country? Option A Canada, B USA, C UK. Answer option B. Which country built the Great Wall? Option A India, B Japan, C China. Answer option C. Which is the highest mountain in the world? Option A K2, B Kanchenjunga, C Mountain Everest. Answer option C. Which country is famous for kangaroos? Option A South Africa, B Australia, C New Zealand. Answer option B. Which country is home to the primates? Option A Greece, B Mexico, C Egypt. Answer option C. Which planet is known as the red planet? Option A Mars, B Jupiter, C Venus. Answer option A. Which currency is used in Japan? Option A won, B yen, C dollar. Answer option B. Penguins are mostly found in which continent? Option A Asia, B Europe, C Antarctica. Answer option C. Thanks for watching.